Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making crispy fried burger. Take a chicken breast and cut it from here and make 4 fillets. Press the fillets with your hand hardly. And now I'm using Knorr crispy fried chicken mix. You try many recipes, but its taste is very different. Now I'm using 3 tablespoons of vinegar and I'm using 2 tablespoons of Knorr crispy fried mix. Mix it and coat the slice properly. Marinate it for 40 to 50 minutes. After 40 minutes, for coating I am using all-purpose flour, 250 grams of all-purpose flour, and I am adding 1 tablespoon of Knorr crispy fried chicken mix masala powder. Mix it. Now take a chicken fillet. Coat the fillets properly in masala and coat it with flour mixture. Press hardly for crispy fillets and then dip into cool water and again coat it mixture. Press hardly for crispy fillets. You can see it's ready. Now check the oil temperature. Deep fry the fillets on medium flame. Add the fillets one by one. Fry for 6 to 7 minutes. Fry 3 minutes each side. You can see it's looking too much crispy and crunchy. Turn the side. Fry until crispy coated turned into brown. On the other hand, toast the burger bun. Apply the oil upper side. It's ready. You can see its taste is very delicious. And apply mayonnaise on bun. I am using iceberg chicken fillets. It's crunchy. It's really amazing. And add tomato ketchup. Cover with the bun. Serve it with french fries and ketchup. Please like it, love it and eat it. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you.